Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Our Parks and Recreation Department is taking a new approach to maintenance at some of our community parks, trails, along creeks, and within floodplains. In areas without sprinklers, we've reduced mowing. Here at Hoblitzel Park, we transitioned some areas with low use back to natural areas. We've seen a resurgence of blackland prairie vegetation and pollinator-friendly plants, while still maintaining turf for our residents to enjoy. There are many benefits to this approach. It helps reduce erosion along creeks and springs. It helps pollinators. It promotes native vegetation and habitats. It helps the soil retain moisture during the summer. There are so many other benefits to the new maintenance approach in these areas. It provides our residents with a variety of open space and natural areas to explore. It also saves money. Less mowing means lower labor and equipment costs. It also limits the use of fertilizer, pesticides, or tilling. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.